What's up, friends? Welcome back to the channel. We are back at Sam's Club with another great video. Today's video, we have Sam's Club's instant deals. Now, all these deals are valid to April 6th. These deals were part of their coupon book. Let's not waste any time and get into it. And starting the video off with the very popular Hellmann's mayonnaise. Check out the size of that bottle. It's huge. A half a gallon, also known as 64 ounces. It does have 90 calories per serving. That is a lot of mayonnaise. Today, they're giving us $2.50 off the price, bringing it down to $6.98. If this is your first time tuning into the channel, friends, make sure you subscribe. We do like to show you the best deals every week here at Sam's Club, Costco, and Amazon.com. Now, right in front of us, also from Sam's Club Instant Savings, we have their Cheez-Its, 45 pouches per box. It does have 210 calories per serving, 24 grams of carb, and 4 grams of protein. Today, they're giving us $2 off the price, bringing it down to $12.98. And just a quick reminder, friends, do not forget about our giveaway. It's completely free to enter. We're giving away a free Lego backpack and luggage set. All you have to do is make sure you subscribe to our channel and watch our last Amazon video. All the details are there to enter the giveaway. And now from Samsung, we do have their Q60D series, their 75-inch TV, $200 off the price, $797.99. And to my left, we have their DU7200, the big boy, the 85-inch TV. Check out this price, only $747.99. Now, if you do want to learn a little bit more about TVs before you go ahead and make a big purchase, I suggest you watch my top 20 best TVs you can buy at Costco. I know this is Sam's Club, but you can learn a lot from that video. Also, Sam's Club does sell a lot of the same models as Costco does. Now, if you are enjoying today's video so far, and at the end of the video, if you did enjoy it, all I ask is for you to hit that thumbs up button and maybe leave a comment if it's not too inconvenient. Leave me a comment, let me know that you are enjoying the Sam's Club video and to continue to make them. That way I can continue to do so because the Sam's Club videos are very new to my channel. And let's check out these security cameras from Arlo. These cameras do look pretty nice. They're wireless. They have that 2K image, HDR. Now, these are the newer generation, the second generation. And they also come in a 4-pack with some solar panels that are included, which is pretty nice. Now, some of the highlights, they have noise canceling audio. They have that weather resistant. They have color night vision. Pretty nice so far. Now, I do wish they were 4K, but for this price point, I'm not going to complain. They also may require a subscription if you want those premium features, but you can pick up this 4-pack here for $179 after $120 savings. Now, if you're looking for something a little bit more different, with something with more security cameras, to the right from Night Owl. Now, these are pretty decent as well. 2K, so I'm not a huge fan of them. They really should be 4K, but for this price point, again, I'm not going to complain too much. They do come with a 2TB hard drive. This is a DVR system that we're looking at. Also, you do get an 8-pack here, so that's pretty incredible for the price point. They're giving us a $120 savings today, bringing the price down to $329 even. And just around the corner from Epson, we do have their EcoTank ET2840, their special edition all-in-one printer. Now, if you do have a Costco membership, you may want to hold off on this printer. Costco currently has the ET2850 on clearance for $199.97, and I do suspect that printer is going to drop at least $50 to $100 in price, so you should be able to pick it up for about $100 if you can wait. So right in front of us, this printer does have a pretty decent print speed at 15 pages per minute in black and 8 pages per minute in color. Check out that price, $70 off, bringing it down to $179 even. And let's not forget about the thermal paper right in front of me, 2¼ by 50 feet. We do get 48 rolls here, only $13.74. If you need something a little bit longer, we have that as well, 2¼ by 85 feet, 36 rolls in total, a premium quality thermal printer paper. Now, this is only $15.82. All the thermal paper by Members Mark is $250 off, and these deals do end April 6th. So right in front of us, we have the 3 1/8 by 190 feet, 18 rolls in total, $22.48. And it's definitely season to pick up the Scott's Turf Builder. Right in front of us, we have their Weed and Feed, a 45-pound bag of their weed killer and lawn fertilizer. Now, this does control over 50 listed weeds, including clover, dandelion, which is pretty great. This will get rid of it. Now, today, here at Sam's Club, they are giving us a $17 off instant savings, bringing the price down to $68.98. And then directly behind me from Raid, we have their Wasp and Hornet spray. Now this does spray up to 22 feet and it's pretty nice, great for outdoor use only, obviously. Now this does kill an entire nest if you spray it correctly. Now we have a 3-pack here with a 25% more bonus. Now this is a great product to pick out. Check out that savings, $3.20 off the price, bringing it down to $11.72. And right below it from Off, we have their Deep Woods Insect Repellent. Now this does come in a 3-pack. Each bottle is 9 ounces in total. Now this is a great product to pick up for those of you who like to camp, maybe you like to fish, hike, or hunt. Now this is definitely a must buy for those of you who are out in the woods. Now this is a tick repellent that does protect against ticks that may carry Lyme disease. Today we're getting a nice $3.25 off, bringing the price down to $14.73. And since it is mulch season, you can pick up some of the Members Mark landscape fabric. Now this is 4 feet by 225 feet, so it is a good amount. This does definitely help control weeds without the use of chemicals. Now today we have a pretty decent discount. They are giving us $5 off the price. That's going to bring it down to $24.94. And moving on to Miracle Grow, we have their all-purpose garden soil, a 40-quart bag right in front of us. Now this is all-purpose for in-ground use only, and it does feed up to 3 months. Perfect for annuals or perennials or all types of vegetables. Now keep in mind, friends, this is for in-ground use only. $1.50 off the price today. Let's have a look at that. They are bringing the price down to $6.98. All the deals in today's video does expire April 6th. And now for Members Mark, we have the black rubber mulch. Now here we have the black. To my right, we have the brown. They're taking $1.50 off the price. Now the rubber mulch is ideal for landscape or around playgrounds. That way it does provide a soft surface to help you keep your children safe if they do fall off a swing or a play set. Now this does maintain beauty all year round, even after exposure. Today you can pick up a bag of it for $7.47. We even have a pretty great instant savings on an air inflatable bed. Now this bed is a queen size deluxe bed that does even include a headboard, which is pretty great. It raises 18 inches in height. That way it has easy access for on and off the floor. Now it does include a nice 120 volt internal pump. That way you have a nice fast inflation or deflation, which is pretty great. Now it does include a carrying bag as well. That way it has easy storage and support. Pretty nice product here. Check out that price, $20 off, only $49.98. This is a pretty awesome deal. This time from Pyrex, we have their Simply Store, their 28-piece glass food storage set. Check out this price, $6 off the price. And today we get a nice 28-piece. I do love this set, and I love Pyrex in general. $6 off the price. You can't go wrong with picking this up. Now it's made from a high-quality tempered glass, which I love, and it does not absorb food odors or flavors. BPA lids, which is also great, $23.98. This even has a 2-year limited warranty. A $40 instant savings that does end April 6th from Samsonite. We have their Ridgeway. Now this is their 2-piece hardside luggage set that does come in assorted colors. We have the silver right in front of us. We also have the blue, we have the green, and we have the brown. Now all the colors look amazing. You can pick this up here at the warehouse with a $40 savings today. Pretty nice, bringing the price down to $150 even. Now this does look pretty similar to the one they sell at Costco. They both have the spinner wheels on the bottom. Very nice luggage set. A $6 savings, this time from Gatorade. We have their Montage water bottles. Now this does include a 2-pack here. Each bottle is 30 ounces. They are compatible with the GX pods that a lot of people love. Now if you're an athlete, you're definitely going to love these water bottles. They have that high flow valve that does deliver a steady stream. That way it helps eliminate spills. You could squirt it right in your mouth directly. $6 off the price. Check that out. $23.98. And now from Tramontina, they are giving us $6 off their 3-piece non-stick frying pan set. Now we have 4 different colors to choose from. We have the blue, we have the gray, we have the green, and we have the maroon available as well. 4 different colors, 3 different pans. Check it out. We have an 8-inch, we have a 10-inch, and we have a 12-inch. Now these are reinforced with a non-stick interior. Pretty easy to clean. You can fry anything on these. $6 off the price. Check it out. Now this is great for gas, electric, and ceramic glass top cooktops. You can't use it with induction, so keep that in mind. $23.84. And now from Shark, we have their very popular Matrix vacuum. This is their self-emptying robot vacuum with a 30-day dock, meaning it self-empties for up to 30 days, which is pretty great. Has a 6-hour charging time with a 120-minute runtime. It runs off a lithium-ion battery, and it only weighs about 12 pounds, which is pretty great. What's awesome about this vacuum, which works great with carpet and hardwood floors. So if you have either or, it works great with it. Even tile or laminate floors works pretty great. Now today, $60 off the price, bringing it down to $239.98. And then just around the corner, a $70 instant savings off Dyson's Ball Animal 3. This vacuum is super popular as well. This is their upright vacuum cleaner. Has that massive ball in the front that makes it super popular. A lot of people love it because it has that easy maneuverability, especially when you're cleaning like carpets. That's why it's so popular. Now it does have that tangle-free turbine that removes pet hair, which is another great feature. So if you have carpets and you have pets, you're definitely going to love this vacuum a lot. Has that deep cleaning mode. $70 off, $279.98. And just down the aisle, one of my favorite vacuums from Shark, we have their Rocket Pro. Now, I did buy this vacuum all the way back in 2009, 16 years ago. And till this day, that vacuum is still a workhorse. I'm not sure if these newer Shark rockets are as durable as the older ones, but the one I have is a workhorse. Now, currently, I did retire my vacuum, so it's currently in my garage, doing the garage type of vacuuming, sawdust, sheetrock. This thing vacuums up everything. Today, we have a nice $40 savings. If you have the newer Rocket, leave a comment below. Let me know your thoughts on it. I'm pretty sure it still has some amazing reviews. Sometimes you don't need all that tech. Sometimes you just need something plain and simple like this. $119.98. And now from KitchenAid, we have their very popular stand mixer. Now we usually see this mixer on sale during the holidays, but today they have it at Sam's Club, a nice $80 instant savings. We usually see this hover around $260, $250, $280 mark, but with inflation, the new hover mark is around $300. Now we have here today a great instant savings for $80 off. We have 5 different colors to choose from. We have the silver, my favorite, the red, my second favorite, then we have the black, the blue, and the turquoise. All 5 colors are available. Now you can pick this up for $299.98. And just around the corner, here it is from Ninja. We have their very popular Foodie, their 9-in-1 digital air fryer toaster oven. Now I love this toaster oven because it does flip up and you can tuck it away nice and neat. 1800 watts, works great. Not the greatest, but it works great for what it is. Now this product just went on clearance at Costco, so keep that in mind. You may be able to pick it up at an unbelievable price. If not, you can grab it here at Sam's Club at a great price. $30 instant savings, $119.88. And now from 3M, we do have their command hooks on sale. To my right, we have their large picture hanging strips that do hold up to 15 pounds. We get 27 strips. To my left, we get the 3-pound designer hooks. Now these hooks are pretty great. They have 14 in total and they can hold up to 3 pounds. Today, they're taking $3 off, bringing the price down to $11.98. Either or you can choose from, $11.98. Now, anytime the filters do go on sale, I like to pick them up. These are from 3M as well. They have a nice $4 instant savings. Plenty of sizes available. If they don't have your size, head over to samsclub.com and then pick up the appropriate size for your home. Now, these are an exclusive Sam's Club offer. Now, you can pick these up for $35.98. That's with a $4 instant savings. A great price. And then just down the aisle, we have the very popular Kingsford finally on sale. A good time to pick up some charcoal. Now we have the match light, which I do not like. And then we also have the regular charcoal, which is the one I do like to pick up. The match light has too many chemicals in it. It's overpriced and sometimes your food tastes a little bit funny. The original one is definitely the way to go in my opinion. Now they're both $3.50 off and they're both $19.98. A great price in my opinion. This is a must buy, especially with the season coming up. Check that out, only $19.98. And for the men, we do have a great instant savings off Hanes. They're giving us $3 off a bunch of different their products. We have the 5 packs of boxer briefs. Now they do have sizes small all the way up to 2XL, $15.98. To my right, we have the briefs. If you like briefs, these do come in an 8 pack here. Also sizes small through 2XL, $10.98. Moving on, we have their tank tops, a very popular product from Hanes. They have a 6 pack here at Sam's Club, $13.98. And then to my right, the very popular V-necks. You can't go wrong with those. Here we have a 6 pack of V-necks. You can pick these up at a great price, $16.98. And then last but not least, we have their very popular t-shirts that do come in a 6 pack here. They have sizes all the way up to 2XL, which is awesome. Now these are the plain old white classics at $16.98. And just around the corner, we have an $80 instant savings, this time from Works. We have a pretty nice combo kit here. We have a 22-inch hedge trimmer, a 5-inch pruning saw, and a 10-inch cordless chainsaw. Now this kit is pretty awesome. You get the charger and 2 batteries. Each battery is 2 amps. I do wish it was more like a 4 or 5 amp battery, but the kit is pretty good. It's only $149.98 with an $80 instant savings. That's not bad at all, considering what it is. If you don't have any tools at your household, this is a great product to definitely pick up at $149.98. And at the other end cap, we do have the Clorox on sale. They're 3-in-1. This is their multi-surface cleaner and bleach disinfectant here. This is a great product as well. 212 ounces of Clorox, $3 off the price, only $13.48. We also have the Cascade Total Clean with Dawn. Now this is 95 pods per container here. We're getting a great discount as well. $3 off the price, bringing it down to $13.98. A good time to pick up the disinfecting wipes from Clorox as well. Now here we have the variety pack. We do get a 5 count, a total of 425 wipes. When these go on sale, these are the time to buy. $3.80 off the price, $14.98. And I do love the smell of Pine Sol. Here we have it also on sale. Now this, we do get a 2 count, 120 fluid ounces in total. Also, we're getting $3 off. Now this is the concentrate, $11.98. Now, when it comes to Dawn dish soap, I know a lot of you think of cleaning dishes. Now, me personally, I do like to use the Dawn dish soap to clean the driveway. I use it to pressure wash the house. I clean the outside windows with it. I also clean the barbecue grill with it. This is a great product to pick up, $13.48. And now a $3 instant savings from the Clorox Toilet Wands, another popular product here. That's a great price. Today we have 36 refills in 1 wand, $15.48. And right next to it, you also could pick up from Clorox their Ultra Clean tablets. So this is their toilet bowl cleaner. Now we do get a 6 count here. Each count is 3.5 ounces. You can pick these up for $10.78. And next up from Ziploc, we have their freezer bags. Now these are the gallon size, 152 bags at $12.23, a $3.25 instant savings. And here we have a 3-pack of Prego sauce. Check out this price. I haven't seen Prego in such a long time. I'm so used to making Costco videos, but here we have the traditional family size of Prego. Now this is a great buy. We do get a 3-pack here. That's 3 45-ounce packs for $7.98. Now, when it comes to pasta at Sam's Club, they do have a pretty good variety. Right in front of us from Barilla, we have 6 boxes of the variety pack here, 2 boxes of penne, 2 boxes of spaghetti, and then 2 boxes of elbows. $1.50 off the price, $7.02. If you don't like the variety pack, that's fine. They also have 6 boxes of penne you can pick up, which is another great buy here. Also $7.02. If you don't like this either, you can even pick up their thin spaghetti. Now these are 6 boxes as well. $1.50 off the price, $7.02. Also, just down the aisle, they also have the Protein Plus from Barilla, another great product. Now, this does have 10 grams of protein per serving, a popular product. 4 boxes in total. You get 2 boxes of penne, 2 boxes of rotini. Now, you can pick this up for $1.50 off the price, $7.48. All right, friends, ending the video here. I hope you did enjoy today's video. We have so many more products I could have shown you, but the video would have been 30 minutes. So I did try to keep it under 20 minutes for you. So hopefully you did enjoy today's video. If you did, hit that thumbs up button. Leave me a comment below if you did enjoy today's video. And make sure you follow me over on Instagram if you have it at Watch the Deal Finder. And remember, friends, don't forget about the giveaway. It's completely free to enter. Make sure you enter that giveaway. Subscribe to my channel. Hit the thumbs up, leave a comment below, like, comment, and share. Support the channel. I'll see you tomorrow with a new video, friends. Peace.